Hello guys, today we prepare mascarpone. There are the ingredients. 3 eggs,
250 grams of mascarpone,
3 spoons of sugar, and then finally pavesini. We separate 3 eggs, egg whites and yolk in 2 different bowls. Let's wipe the egg whites and add 1 spoon of sugar.
We whip yolk with sugar and let's mix. We take 2 cups of coffee. Let's mix the yolk and sugar with mascarpone. Mix, mix, mix.
This moment is so hard. We mix white egg and yolk. Let's get wet the biscuit with coffee and place in the bowl. We do the second plane of mascarpone and pavesini. And finally we make a flour with biscuits and we add a cocoa powder. We wait 20 minutes and after that let's we eat our very good sweet!